the topic, I would like to explain one keyword. Firstly, I would love to wish you a warm respect to the school director, my class teacher, and all my school friends who are here. My name is Sokpisey. I am a student in English level 12 of the SBC school. Today, I am delighted to present one special topic. It is about the importance of using technology in the modern era. Before I go into detail of the topic, I would like to explain one keyword. The word technology means that the application of scientific knowledge for practical purpose, especially in industry for technologies. In today's modern era, the use of technology has become increasingly important in various aspects of our life. From education to communication, technology plays a vital role in shaping our world and driving progress. One of the key reasons why technology is essential in the modern era. It is ability to enhance education with the information online, conduct research and collaborate with peers easily. This not make learning more engaging and effective, but also prepare students for digital skills required with the workforce. Furthermore, technology has revolutionized communication in the modern era. With the advent of smartphones and social media platforms, these people can connect with others regardless of their physical location. This has helped in fostering a global connection and breaking down barriers in communication. In addition, technology has also improved efficiency and productivity in various industries. From automation in factual mentoring to data analysis, technology enables business to streamline and make informed decisions. In conclusion, the importance of using technology in the modern era cannot be understood. It informs the way we learn, communication, and work, making our life easier and more connected. Therefore, it's crucial for high school students to embrace and utilize it effectively to thrive in the digital age. Thank you for listening.